Hello, this is Ken from EasyTest Pool Supplies. Today I'm going to discuss what makes a successful pool opening. First, I would like to discuss the two different options, a complete and a partial opening. Included in a complete opening is the removal of the cover. We will then sweep it and bag it if necessary. We will install ladders, rails, return fittings, and baskets. We will put together the filter system and start it up, adding DE powder if necessary. And to finish, we will add your opening pool chemicals. The difference between a complete and a partial opening is that the homeowner will remove the cover before we arrive. As a customer, there are a few things that we ask you do to help us aid in this process. Please supply power to your filter. This is done by turning the breaker on at the fuse box that supplies the filter power. Please make sure the water level is halfway up the skimmer to provide proper filtration. And make sure to leave out your filter element, your return eyeballs, skimmer basket, ladder, and the bag for the cover so that we can properly install them. And remember that if we took your filter during the closing process to acid wash, that you return to the store and retrieve it before the pool opening. Thanks a lot, and if you have any questions, remember to give us a phone call. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel so inclined, please like, share, comment, find us on Facebook, and subscribe if you haven't already. Or click the bell notification to receive our most updated content. This is Kent from EasyTest Pool Supplies, and thanks for watching.